Nestled in the heart of Queensland's tropical north, the Daintree Rainforest is the oldest rainforest on Earth. A place where time stands still and nature thrives. The journey begins at Mossman Gorge, where crystal-clear waters flow over ancient granite boulders, surrounded by lush greenery. It's a serene escape that invites you to walk among towering trees and experience the symphony of the rainforest. Further along, the Daintree River winds its way through the wilderness, offering a chance to explore this living ecosystem. From crocodile spotting tours to tranquil boat rides, the river provides a closer look at the intricate balance of life in the rainforest. At Cape Tribulation, the rainforest meets the reef in a dramatic collision of worlds. With pristine beaches and vibrant coral just offshore, this destination embodies the natural beauty and unique biodiversity of the region. The Daintree Rainforest isn't just a place to visit, it's an invitation to connect with one of the most ancient and awe-inspiring ecosystems on the planet.